To make sprout, let us perform the activity 5 of class 6 science textbook. We have taken around 20 grams of mook and soaked them in water by keeping it overnight. Next day, wrap the soaked seed in a piece of wet cloth and keep it aside at a warm and dry place for 2 to 3 days. You can also use petri dish or any container to keep the soaked seed. In this case, we have taken wet filter paper and we have put the seeds inside it. Let's cover the petri dish and keep it for 2 to 3 days for sprouting to happen.
To observe the sprouted seeds which you have in it. Now these are sprouts. What are sprouts? Can you see a white color part? So sprouts are nothing but white color part that comes out of this seed once the seed is germinated. So basically what we have done to germinate seed, we are providing certain conditions. What are those conditions? First of all, water. White time, what are we doing? We are providing the condition. It is little warm condition required. That means temperature has to be slightly warm. And then the third condition is air. What is it? Air. Let's have a nice time by eating the sprouts. So you can eat the sprouts because sprouts are very good. They are nutritious, very much healthy.
Sprout contain more of vitamin A, B and C which make them more nutritious. After the lesson, the students were very happy to make sprout salad. So we had sprout party in the class. The students were enthusiastic to make salad using sprout and different raw vegetables. The purpose of this activity was to make students understand the importance of sprout. As children don't like to eat sprout, so this kind of activity helped them to make interest and enhance their taste bud with reference to the sprout. So after adding different kinds of fruits and vegetables, the salad was more delicious and students were very happy to prepare the salad by themselves and also to share among their peer mates.